How to delete your Facebook account. Now, in order to delete your Facebook account, just simply open your Facebook app and log into your account which you would like to delete. After that, tap to these three bars from the top right corner, and after going in there, scroll down until you see the option of settings. Simply tap to settings and privacy and choose settings from here. After going to the settings, you will see the option of Meta Account Center in the top. Simply open Meta Account Center and you will see the button of Manage Accounts. Select Manage Accounts and you will see all of the Facebook accounts that you have. You just simply need to tap to this button of Manage. After tapping to the Manage button, you will see the option of deactivation or deletion. Tap to that button and you will see the option of Delete Account right here. Select Delete Account and tap to Continue. Then after doing this much, you need to select the option. You can choose anything from here and tap to Continue button. Now after doing this much, tap to Continue again, and now this page will appear. Scroll down and tap to Continue one more time. Now after doing this, you just simply need to enter your password in this page and tap to Continue again. And after doing this easy step, this delete account button will appear in your screen. Tap to delete account and your account will be deleted after the 30 days of this process. I hope this video was informative. If yes, don't forget to hit that subscribe button.